gosh.
Up we go.
Much excitement.
Are you having a panic attack?
We'll find out. I mean, the restraints are very comfortable.
Oh yeah, they're super comfortable. They're gonna be less comfortable when our body weight's pressing up against them.
Nope. Hate it.
Look at the view.
Aw, I'm on right.
Look at Quasi over there.
Look at that turn.
Oh God.
I will admit I'm a little intimidated.
Oh God. Oh, I'm gonna close my eyes.
You gonna close your eyes? Too high?
Oh God. Like this is fine. If we drop now, it'd be one thing. But this.
Look at that.
Oh God. Oh my
Look at
God.
all of that.
Oh my God.
This isn't fun.
This is not fun.
This isn't fun.
Oh God.
This isn't fun. Stop being fun. Oh dear God.
Oh my God.
Oh dear God.
Okay. Actually, the dropping part was really fun. The hanging part was not. Okay. Woo.
I'm not scared.
Yeah. I would do that again.
Look at you now. Fearless.
Dropping was fun. Hanging was not.
Suddenly fearless.